Namaskar, Kolkata. Today we are in the city of joy, bringing together some of the most curious minds under one roof. What are we here for? To build, innovate, and share.
Look around. Every person here came with a dream. Across teams, across skills, across backgrounds. Every corner had someone creating something new. And the best part? Kolkata builds with heart.
We created a space where everyone can push their boundaries and build something really genuine which they can be proud of.
This is my first time at Hack This for Kolkata Build Station, and it has changed my perspective of building projects.
Hey, I'm building a protocol for decentralized compute for AI agents using Vulture as the backbone. So I'm here in this build station trying to bring my idea to life, and the food is really awesome.
This is Kolkata, where culture meets code, chaos becomes creativity, and every builder brings the joy out of building.
You can attend 100 events, but the feeling at this Hack This for Build Station was pure supportive.
I was nervous working in, but everyone made it so easy to learn and ask questions. I'm definitely joining the next build station.
Build with? So that was Kolkata Build Station for you. Trust us, the city just raised the bar high. Well, with that being said, until next time, happy hacking.